Ever wondered how planners identify exactly where bridges cross rivers, and why some of those spots become high-risk zones for floods or infrastructure stress? This is where smart mapping tools step in. Let's see how you can instantly analyze bridge and river crossings using an intersection tool in MAPOG. First, go to story.mapog.com and go to Create and Publish Maps. Click on Create New Map, select Blank Map, then add your map title and description, and hit Create Map. Now open the GIS data tool. Select your country, filter to your area, and search for the bridge layer. Add it to your map using Add on Map option. Repeat the same process to add the river layer. To make things clearer, go to Layer Settings of any added layer and use Add Layer Style. Assign distinct colors to bridges and rivers. Then use Rename Layer to keep everything organized. Now comes the interesting part. Go to Tools and select Cross Intersection tool. Choose the polygon layer, in this case, bridges. Select the attributes you want to carry forward. Then choose the line layer, your rivers, and pick its attributes as well. Click Submit. And just like that, every point where a river crosses a bridge appears on your map. You can style these intersections using Add Layer Style. Open the Show Data table, or click any point to see detailed insights. Finally, head to Preview and Share. Make your map public or private. Generate a share link, embed it on websites with geometry filter and sorting options enabled. Or using Add User, collaborate with your team using role-based access. Whether you're planning infrastructure or analyzing risk zones, MAPOG Intersection tool turns raw data into real insights. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.